Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Last time, we posted a video about FCA diagnostics for Maserati. Today, I want to dive into how you can use it in different regions. The device I'm using today is the ThinkTool Euro Max. First things first, you need to select the region for your device, just like it's shown in the screen recording. Now, if you bought the FCA diagnostics directly from THINKCAR, all you need to do is select the THINKCAR option on your device, and you'll be automatically logged in. Alternatively, you can choose the European option. In this case, just use THINKCAR as your account, and for the password, enter your device's serial number. Just keep in mind that this feature is currently available for all ThinkTool Euro series devices. To view more device compatibility options, please click on the More button below the video. To make sure everything runs smoothly, don't forget to update the APK to the latest version. If you are located outside of North America and Europe, please use the login method mentioned above for the European region to access the FCA portal. North American accounts will not be applicable. And starting today, FCA services in North America are back online. Users in the North American region can now access it on their THINKCAR devices. Some of you might have been wondering why you couldn't find THINKCAR FCA North America before. Well, it turns out that some users were trying to use the North America account even though they were in other regions. Please do not do that again. If you want to avoid any issues, make sure you use the right account for your own region. Otherwise, THINKCAR might block your device from working in the future. When you're in the North America region, you can register an account and purchase FCA service from AutoAuth. With that account, you can bind up to 5 different products. Once you have the account, simply enter your login credentials on the device to access the FCA diagnostics. Oh, and if your device was already bound before, remember to rebind it. That's all for today. Do you have any comments or questions? Feel free to ask, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm Blue. See you next time.